In this video, I'll show you how to print a large image on multiple pages in Photoshop. Start by creating a new document. Set the size to 22 inches wide by 17 inches high, so it fits across 4 sheets of paper in landscape. Create the document with the white background. Select the Custom Shape tool from the toolbar. Choose any shape from the top drop-down, then drag it out to cover most of the canvas. Adjust the stroke and fill colors as needed, or just place your image. Next, use the Slice tool. It's located with the Crop tool. Select the Slice tool, right-click on the canvas, and choose Divide Slice. Divide it horizontally by 2, then vertically by 2. This creates 4 equal sections for printing. Now save the slices. Go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. When the window opens, save the file. Photoshop will generate an Images folder containing 4 separate sliced images. Open each of the 4 images back in Photoshop. These are the individual pages you'll print. Go to File and Print. Select your printer and make sure the orientation is set to Landscape. Then open Print Settings and enable Orderless Printing. This allows the image to reach the edges as much as your printer allows. Print each page. You may still see a small margin because most printers can't print to the exact edge, so trim the excess with scissors or a cutter, align the pieces, and tape them together to form your large poster. Here I will print this as a PDF to demonstrate, as you can see here. That's how to print a large image on multiple pages in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.